And the number one reason you are not building muscle is, look, most people are gonna think that I'm gonna talk about diet. Like maybe you just need to get enough calories, get yourself into a calorie surplus to see the results. Maybe you're thinking you gotta optimize your hormones, whether that's doing whatever it takes to get you there naturally or even going the enhanced routes. You gotta understand, even if you get yourself into a surplus, even if you eat enough high quality protein, you can still mess this up. Look, and here's the truth, is you're probably just not training hard enough. Now, before you click off the video because you think you do, here's how to make sure you're training hard enough. Now take a look at this handstand. It's a pretty difficult exercise for most people. Most people can probably get, 1, 2, 5 seconds at most. I'm shaking, exercise is a little hard, but is it gonna build an adequate amount of muscle? Probably not. And now you're probably thinking right now, but I sweat a lot during my workouts. Here's the thing, I'm in a garage with no AC in Texas. I gotta stop the video every 5 seconds to wipe the sweat so I'm not glistening too much. Now you can go into a sauna and sweat. Maybe you're just one of those people who just sweats randomly for no good reason and you always have to wear dark clothes because you got the pit stains. All I'm trying to say is just because you're sweating, it doesn't mean you're having a good workout. Just because you're sweating doesn't mean you're gonna be building muscle. And just because you're sweating doesn't mean you're training hard. So how hard do you need to train? So you need to be training at or close to what's called failure. But what is training to failure? You know that point in the set where you feel like you want to stop? Yeah, it's past that part. Now there's two types of failure. There's technical failure and there's muscular failure, right? Muscular failure is the muscle is completely dead. You know, where your form is already looking like ass and you're trying everything and anything to get the weight up, but it's not going. That's muscular failure. Definitely the not as safe version of the two. And then there's technical failure, and that's the point where your form has not yet gone completely out the window, but it's about to be if you were to keep going. Now I wanna keep things very simple. Let's say you're doing a straight set. That's where you're doing 3 sets at the same weight for a certain amount of reps. Let's say you're doing 3 sets of 8 to 12. What it should look like is on your first working set, by working set I mean not the sets you use to warm up. This is your working set, the weight you're actually trying to use. You should not be able to match your reps across all your sets. It should look like your first set getting 12, your second set getting 10 or 11, and your third set getting 8, 9, or 10. That's what it should look like. If you're getting 12 across every set, you're not training hard enough. And I absolutely recommend using straight sets for the majority of your training because you should not be comparing your set 1 performance to your second set's performance. You should be comparing your set 1 performance of this week to your set 1's performance of next week. And there you have it. Look guys, if you like the video, then like the freaking video. I just released a new program, 4 weeks in length. You have a 3-day, a 4-day, and a 5-day workout split. Choose one and pick the link below. Coaching is gonna be the first link in the description box below in case you need something a lot more tailored and a lot more custom to you. Subscribe for more raw, unfiltered content like this and let me know what you wanna see next. Peace, love, gains, and I'll talk to you soon.